Knowledge is power. Every day, we use real-time, data-driven tools to make our lives better, faster, easier. So why do we still measure traffic with physical tube counts, manual survey methods, and raw data? Australia's leading provider of real-time traffic information brings you a game-changing technology, Insight, the smart way to get the whole traffic picture. Whether you're deciding where to install a pedestrian crossing, working on a construction project, or designing an entire smart city, Insight provides a holistic view of what's happening on the road. We take data accuracy seriously. Data from private and commercial trips are validated against real-time data from road authorities to produce 96% accuracy when tested against thousands of inductive loops on the road. We cross-validate using control groups and machine-taught algorithms to achieve the highest possible quality every time. That's what sets Insight apart. The numbers speak for themselves. Millions of drivers across Australia use Intelematics every single day. Over 100 million data points from 20,000 kilometres of major and minor roads. 24/7 real-time validation. Thousands of data sources from smart sensors, vehicle probes and IoT devices. 15-minute increments of up-to-date traffic data and analytics. One intuitive tool. Try Insight for yourself and get the whole traffic picture.